Not everyone wants to be on camera, and not everyone knows how to edit. That stops a lot of people from posting on TikTok even though they have great ideas. But here's the good news. You don't need editing skills or a camera anymore. With Short-Beast AI, you can make faceless videos in minutes. You simply provide a topic, and the AI creates everything: script, voiceover, subtitles, and visuals. It's like having a full production team working for you. The result is professional quality videos that look polished and keep viewers watching, all without showing your face. And because it's so quick, you can post more often and finally get your ideas out there. If you want to start making faceless TikToks today, sign up using my link in the description and give Shortlist AI a try.